286, to still maintain 5,000. The heavy Boeing 747 you're following to 12 o'clock, 7 miles westbound, approaching the LA River at 4,300.
Maintain 5,000, we're looking at flight 3006.
KM 601, heavy, reduced speed 180, maintain that to Lima. At Lima, contact Los Angeles Tower, 120.905.
Right, clear for takeoff.
That's 08, clear for takeoff, 25 right.
Eagle Flight 6059, caution wake chair, 125 right position, hold report the Boeing 737 in sight.
50, 40, 30,
Skywest
20,
6059, caution wake chair, 125 right position, hold report departing traffic in sight.
Delta's inside, position hold 25 right, Skywest 6059.
Speed brakes up.
Eagle Flight 3006 by Lima.
Eagle Flight 3006, LA Tower, caution wake chair, preceded by heavy Boeing 747. 240 at 9, runway 25.
Northwest 283 heavy, 12610, runway 25 right, clear for takeoff.
Takeoff 25 right, Northwest 283 heavy.
Flaps 30.
Flaps 30.
Und
Fünf
die Rest
drauf.
plus 5, ja.
American 1469, contact SoCal departure, good day.
1469, good day.
Ja, final checklist.
Final speed brake.
Speed brake armed.
Noch nicht.
On upon 5 heavy, caution wake turbulence, runway 25 right position, no
Speed
traffic
brake armed.
across
Gear.
downfield.
Down.
Down, flaps.
25 right, foot
30.
7 hold,
30.
on 5 heavy.
Clear to land.
Clear to
856
land.
LA taxi to the full length, please. 856 LA tower.
So. Check.
Checked.
Learjet 4, Charlie Lima, Foxtrot, cross runway 25 right, turn right on the Bravo.
Cross 25 right at Foxtrot, turn right on Bravo, 5542.
At 856 LA tower, wait for the Learjet to pass in front of you, then taxi to the full length.
25.
After the Learjet, we'll taxi full length at 856.
Northwest 283 heavy, contact SoCal departure, good day.
Good day, Northwest 283.
On upon 5 heavy, 12509er, runway 25 right, clear for takeoff.
300.
Runway 25 right, clear for takeoff, 115 heavy.
Skywest 6138, caution wake turbulence, runway 25 right position, no traffic
Approaching
across
minimum.
downfield.
25 right,
position and hold,
Skywest 6138.
Minimums.
Continue.
Full length for American 2440.
Skywest 6448, LA tower.
100.
6448, just
50.
checked.
40, 30, 20, 10.
Skywest 6448, caution wake turbulence. Heavy Boeing 747 landing rollout, 2509er, runway 25 left, curve line.
Runway 25 left, Skywest 64.
Manual brakes.
Vor der KLM.
Genau,
hier
den
rechts
zweiten,
raus.
ne?
Ja. 80. Sehr schön.
Ja.
KLM 601 heavy, cross runway 25 right and contact ground point 75 traffic going in position.
KLM 601, cross 25 right and 12175.
After landings anytime.
Ja.
Lufthansa 456 heavy and Papa hold short of runway 25 right.
Lufthansa 456 in Papa holding short of 25 right.
Flugkapitän Wölkle und seine Besatzung verabschieden.